Let's talk about how to find your best fit scholarships with ChatGPT. Let me make this simple. You do not need a complicated system. You just copy ChatGPT prompt 1, then prompt 2, then prompt 3. That is it. Most people make scholarship search harder than it needs to be. This is just a copy and paste workflow. Here is the problem. Students open too many scholarship pages, save random links, forget what they found, and then never turn the search into actual applications. So this video is about one thing: using ChatGPT to go from a messy search to a real plan. Step 1 is P1. And yes, P1 means prompt 1. You copy prompt 1 from the description. Before you send it, replace the profile details with your own. Your state, your major, your background, your situation, then hit send. That part matters. If you leave someone else's profile in there, you get someone else's results. So always update the profile first, then run prompt 1. When you run P1, ChatGPT gives you a big list of scholarships that could fit you. This is the raw result. It is supposed to be bigger than what you can sort in your head. That is the point. You want coverage first. Now do not stop there. You do not manually clean that giant list yourself. You take the result from prompt 1, then copy prompt 2. P2 means prompt 2. You paste prompt 2 into ChatGPT, along with the result you already got. Prompt 2 tells ChatGPT to clean the list, remove junk, cut weak fits, and keep what is actually worth your time. This is where the list gets better. Duplicates go away, weak fits go away. Expired or narrow scholarships can get flagged. Now you are looking at a shorter list that is actually usable. Then you do the same thing one more time. Take the result from prompt 2, copy prompt 3, paste it in, run it. P3 means prompt 3. This is the plan step. Prompt 3 takes the cleaned scholarship list and turns it into a date-by-date work plan. Not just what scholarships exist, what to do first, what to do next, and what date to do it. And this is the payoff. Now you are not staring at a giant scholarship list anymore. You are looking at a real plan. For example, verify eligibility first, request recommendation early, draft essay on the right day, submit before deadline. That is how the search becomes action. So the workflow is simple. Copy prompt 1, update your profile, run it. Copy prompt 2, paste the result, run it. Copy prompt 3, paste the cleaned result, run it. That is all you have to do. 3 prompts, 3 copy and paste steps, and a much better scholarship plan than trying to manage everything in your head. The prompts are in the description. Start with prompt 1, scholarships and grants.us.